Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. To soft reset your device, you have to press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me press this button and keep pressing it, even though here we've got the restart option. Keep pressing the button. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Here we have to press it for approximately 10 seconds. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. We've got the developer's logo, so now we can release the finger and wait. Our device will be restarted in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.